Okay, so the final result is we have this probability distribution for our outcomes, our experiment A. And in the middle here I've shown the outcomes on a table, and next to them on the right we have the probabilities, which we just talked about. And on the left I've translated the outcomes to the length of the run of baskets from that particular trial of the experiment. And of course that's the statistic we're interested in. And on the bottom I show a graph with the length of the run of baskets, so the number of baskets in the outcome, with their probabilities. So this is an alternate way of showing the probability distribution as a bar graph. So we draw a bar for each of these outcomes. So here we have the length of the run of baskets, and above it we have a rectangle whose height is equal to the probability. And all of these bases of the rectangles have equal size, so this graph adheres to the area principle. The area devoted to any particular outcome or any set of outcomes is proportional to the probability of that particular outcome. Okay, let's get familiar with this experiment. Suppose we ran 5 trials of this experiment and we got a run of baskets of length 2, 5, 3, 0, and 1. What would the outcome of our endeavors look like? Well, what I'm saying is if we have a run of baskets of length 2 in the first trial, the outcome looks like this. And then the trial of our experiment was over. Then on our second trial, we got a run of 5 baskets. And then we missed, so that trial of the experiment was over. On the third trial, we got a run of 3 baskets. And then the trial was over. And on the fourth trial, we got no baskets. It was a miss. And on the fifth trial, we got 1 basket and a miss. That's the resulting sequence of baskets. How many shots did this player take? So this was the result of 5 trials of our experiment, but this is many more than 5 shots. So the number of shots here was 3 on the first trial, plus 6 on the second trial, that's 9 so far, plus 4, which is 13, plus 1, which is 14, plus 2, which is 16. So this basketball player took 16 shots. So the thing to note here, or the moral of this story, is that the number of trials of this experiment is not necessarily equal to the number of shots that the player takes.